Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to copy links of all Safari tabs on your iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone users are reported to how to copy links of all the Safari tabs on my iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now this question is to copy links of all the tabs from the Safari. First of all, find out and open the Safari applications on your iPhone and iPad. Inside the Safari, tap on the tab icon at the bottom right corner. When the tab overview screen opens, tap on the tabs at the bottom of the screen. When the tabs group menu show up, long press on the tab options. Here is the number of tabs that are open inside the Safari. When an overflow menu appears, then copy links. This copy links option is all the tabs link is copy. Now again come back in the iPhone home screens and open the Notes app. Now create the notes and simple tap on that and paste all the tabs links. This way too you can easily copy link of all the Safari tabs on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.